Listen. Integrity is the spindle. Authenticity is the rope. Listening is the tortoise. Holding without letting the spindle sink into the ocean. If you are enlightened, your mind is ocean of milk. If you have not achieved it, your mind is ocean of confusion. Mahadeva is responsibility, who is overseeing everything and who takes the responsibility even for others in authenticity. Take responsibility for others in authenticity also, like Mahadeva. Then you will have impact to enrich yourself and enrich others. Listen, even when the nectar comes, only the people who are ready to enrich themselves and others, the nectar will be given. Today I'll expand on the story of Kumbh Mela, churning the Milky Ocean. Listen, listen. Integrity is the spindle. Authenticity is the rope. Listening is the tortoise. Holding without letting the spindle sink into the ocean. Authenticity, when you continuously practice, it naturally brings nectar out of the chitta. Please understand, if the nectar is not taken out of chitta, it is ocean of confusion. If the nectar is taken out of the chitta, it is ocean of milk. Whether your mind is ocean of confusion or ocean of milk is decided by the outcome of it. If you are enlightened, your mind is ocean of milk. If you have not achieved it, your mind is ocean of confusion. Listening is the tortoise which keeps the spindle up. If you are tired of practicing authenticity and tolerate with inauthenticity, the experience happens is the poison. When the rope, when the snake Vasuki is tired, what it vomits is poison. Sometime after practicing authenticity for years, you feel, oh God, I have to be authentic throughout my life or what? It's okay. It's okay. It's the poison. So let the integrity be the spindle, authenticity be the rope, and your thoughts, completion and incompletion, be the demons and gods. Understand? Constantly incompletions will be coming till the nectar comes. Till the realization happens, incompletion is inevitable. But immediately completing is the right thing. Demons of incompletions, apurnatva, will go on racing. Bring the god of purnatva, completion, constantly. That is the way the churning process happens. Then during the churning, so many things comes out. Kalpa vriksha. During the practice of these four tattvas, so many beautiful miracles will happen in your life. Don't stop. Just because they all happen, don't stop or don't think Don't think or don't stop. You have achieved the goal. No. Mahadeva is responsibility, who is overseeing everything and who takes the responsibility even for others in authenticity. He did not create the poison for him to drink. If Mahadeva has not drank the poison, nobody would have questioned him because he is not responsible. Neither is the benefactor of the nectar, nor he is the person who is churning, or he is the person who brought the poison. No, but take responsibility for others in authenticity also, like Mahadeva. Then you will have nectar to enrich yourself and enrich others. Listen, even when the nectar comes, only the people who are ready to enrich themselves and others, the nectar will be given. It will not reach to demons who want to enrich only themselves. Gods are entrusted with this nectar part just because they go on enriching others also. They go on enriching others also. So listen, I've given you the essence of four tattvas and the whole story of churning. I'll go on expanding in further satsangs. Today, just today, meditate on this. Integrity is the spindle, Meru. Authenticity is the rope, Vasuki. Listening is the tortoise, Kurma. Holding the spindle without sinking. Turn it with incompletion and completion. Incompletions will be constantly coming. Actually, when you start Swapurnatva, completion, you will see so much of incompletion is coming out. The incompletions coming out, you doing the completion is the real churning. And during the churning, enough of things will come out. Shamantaka, Parijata, Kalpa Vriksha, Ratna Singhasana, everything will come out. But don't stop. Even poison may come out, but don't stop. Take the responsibility for others in authenticity. Then you will have the nectar of enlightenment. You will be enriched with the nectar of enlightenment to live for yourself and for others.